Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, beachfront sea view apartment in Lomas de Polo, Pinomar, next to Mata Beach Torrevieja. This beautifully decorated apartment offers sea views from the living area and Salt Lake views from the entrance, all while having Playa Les Ortigues at your doorstep and easy access to Mata Beach. On entering the apartment, you are greeted by a large hallway with access to the living room at the rear. The open-plan kitchen living room offers a large space for entertaining with its sea views at the rear. The glass windows fully retract, creating a nice open space with a brand new fully integrated kitchen at the rear. Outside, you have large community pool with ample street parking around. The community also has a mini golf course, bar and restaurant. Nestled within a beautiful natural setting of Mediterranean pine woodland and rolling sand dunes. The master bedroom is located to the right as you enter, and a guest bedroom opposite with the master bathroom in the middle that has a walk-in shower. Lomas del Polo Pinomar is a highly desirable residential area perfectly located between Torrevieja and Gardemar del Segura. The area is known for its calm atmosphere, open green spaces, and close proximity to the coast, offering an excellent lifestyle for those seeking peace and privacy while remaining well-connected. Nearby La Mata and Torrevieja offer a wide selection of supermarkets, restaurants, cafes, and everyday conveniences, all within easy reach. Its location also allows residents to enjoy the best of both neighboring towns, the lively marina, shopping, and year-round activity of Torrevieja. The apartment is located on the 3rd floor with elevator access and has an east-west orientation. For more information, please contact Villas for Spain today.